What's going on, guys? Today we're back with another video, and today's is definitely a little bit different than anything I've ever done on this channel before. Today I wanted to let you guys know that I'm doing this little boat build. I'll go ahead and show you guys everything in a second, but I'm doing this boat build. I got a boat that's been in my family for quite some time. It's a 14-foot Myers boat, and what I wanted to do is I really wanted, to do something special with it. As it is my first boat, I'm not anytime soon getting a bass boat, so this is going to be one of the next best things that I'm capable of achieving. So with this said, guys, I am decking out a 14-foot John boat. Now, if you guys have ever watched one of Michael Lopez's videos, also known as Tiny Boat Nation, he does some amazing things with these boats, and that's what we're going to do. So I haven't been filming all of this yet, but I'm not too far in this build, and I'm like, this is probably something I should film. And I thought about it, I'm like, I'm going to go pick up my camera and show you guys what I've got done so far. I actually have gotten a couple time lapses with the GoPro, but I want to show you guys where I'm at, and moving forward I'm going to be capturing a lot more of what I'm doing, and hopefully inspiring some of you guys to do the same. But right here is actually a subfloor that is being painted right now, and you can see it's kind of the shape of the boat. We've got ribs cut out and everything, so this is going to be a subfloor for our boat. Now I'll explain this all in a second, guys, but let's go check out the boat first and show you guys what I'm working with. Alright, guys, so here it is. It is a 14-foot Myers boat. You guys can see I already stripped the paint on this side, but this is the boat right here. We've got one channel in, but I don't have that channel in, so I can still show you guys how to do this. We had to redo the transom, which I have some GoPro footage of, but this was all super rotted, and so it just had to be worked with and made right. So this is 3/4 inch plywood that we cut and shaped into this transom. So this is fully redone, ready to put however big a motor we can on this boat. So that is good. That was our first step. Our second step that we ended up doing was this glove it stuff. Now you guys can see this is a different color. It's like yellowy. It looks kind of nasty, but that's okay because nobody is going to see this. Now, because this is a very old boat, we want to ensure that there were absolutely no leaks. Now, there weren't leaks when we filled it up to test it or anything, but we just had to make sure. So what we did is we ordered this product called Glove It, and it's basically an epoxy that you put over every single rivet, and it ensures that, it's watertight, water can't get through it, and allowing you to sink the boat or whatever. So that was just a precautionary, quick $30 spend. And yeah, so this is the boat we're working with, guys. I'll show you guys. We have it on a trailer right now, but the trailer's very big. You can see it's big, and it's not even right. We still have to do work on the trailer, or we might get a new one. You guys can see it is a Myers boat. This side I haven't taken the paint off yet, but that's alright. We will get to that. So this whole back we redid. I actually primered, but I did really bad, so we might have to redo that. But you can see that we put this channel in. Now, I did this out of 1/8 inch by 1 inch angled aluminum, and we had to taper it a lot. We had to make sure everything was right. But because I have an older boat and it doesn't have these big channel ribs like the newer ones have, it called for a subfloor. So basically how we're going to do that is, you can see these little brackets I have set up. I bought those from Home Depot for $4, and actually what's going to happen is, if we go back in the garage, this piece of wood right here, guys, you can see I cut down a 1x4 actually, and you can see it gets really skinny on this side, and then it slowly tapers up until it's almost full size. So what this is allowing us to do, guys, is because the boat from the back, it'll dip down like that. So you have to counter. So this piece will go in the back where it's, the biggest, the floor is the highest, and it tapers. So this is when the floor is the lowest. This counteracts that, allowing this subfloor to be even. So basically, we've been painting every wood product we're putting in this. We've been painting with oil-based enamel. I'll show it to you guys right here. Right there. It was like $30, and I'm probably gonna need another can or gallon for the actual deck. So with this subfloor being done, we are so close to being able to start framing this boat with aluminum, and that's going to be the fun part, because it's where I get to design the boat, I get to wire the boat, I get to do all that fun stuff. But I've been doing a lot of the dirty work, because I had to strip the boat, I had to take all the seats out, I had to rip the transom out, redo it. And so finally, once we get this carpeted, either today or tomorrow, it's going to be fun. We'll be able to instantly put in a rod locker. We'll be instantly able to do a lot of things. And that's when the framing will begin. And I'm going to film so much of that, guys, because I want you guys to do this too. Because this is a lot of fun. And it's a cheaper way of getting a very nice boat. And you're also allowed to customize it in any way you want. So with that said, guys, I wanted to show you my build, what I've been doing. I have not been fishing. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. I haven't. I've been working on this boat for like the past week and a half. And I've been doing a lot of progress. It's just been tough. And finally, I feel like I'm getting somewhere once the subfloor's done and I can actually start framing. We got to get some more aluminum, but we got some down there in the corner. But I wanted to ask you guys this. Here's what I wanted to ask you guys. Is this boat build something that you guys would be entertained by or want to watch on my channel? Because I know I'm a lot of fishing, and this is highly related to fishing, because once this is done, you guys are going to be seeing so much of this boat. And also, I wanted to say one other thing. If you guys are familiar with Michael Lopez, you do know that he runs a lot of patron stuff. And I decided to become a patron. That way my boat could be the best that I could build it on my first attempt. He's gone through like 15 boats. He knows what he's doing. He knows what not to do, what to do. So being able to ask him questions and talk to him, as well as being in another group full of great people, it's just an awesome and easy way to learn very quickly. So I've been doing that. He recommended me to do the subfloor, which I didn't intend on doing. I'm not even going to lie. But it is going to make things a lot easier, and it's just what this boat called for. Alright guys, so I know I haven't been uploading, and that's my fault. I said I would be fishing a lot, but this project literally came at me out of nowhere. I was like, yes, this has become my full priority. And once this is done, I'm going to have a blast. Now, I know it's going to take some time, and I will be having fishing videos, so stay tuned for those. If you guys are, only strictly looking in for the fishing and you don't care about me building this boat whatsoever, trust me, I will have fishing videos out very, very soon. But I wanted to let anyone who would be interested know that I think I'm going to be doing a little mini-series of doing this boat build. I think it's going to be fun. Me and my friends are going to have a blast once it's done. It's just going to be great. So, if you guys want to see more of this, please comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.